and girls. Today we're going to be talking about a new multiplication strategy that will help you solve problems that are not already ingrained in your head as mental math. This is called using helper facts. So there's two ways you can use a helper fact. You can either add a group or you can subtract a group. So we're going to take a look at both of them today. Helper facts are when you find close but easier multiplication problems that you already know and use them to solve tougher problems that you would normally need a number grid for. So let's take a look at the first example for adding a group. So the question that I want to solve is 3 times 7 equals what? Now, let's say I do not know this answer. A helper fact that I could use would be something that's really close, but not quite the same. So let me think. I don't know 3 times 7, but you know what? I do know how to count by twos, and I know that 2 times 7 is 14. So if you look, all I did here was change one of the factors in my multiplication problem. So I changed my 3 to a 2. Now, if I know that 2 times 7 is 14, then 3 times 7 is just one more group of 7. Let's take a look at it on an array to show you what I mean. I'm going to draw my 2 by 7 array. Here is my 2 by 7 array. Now I know that this equals 14, but I want to know what 3 times 7 is. So what I'm going to do is add another row. So I'm going to add a row of 7 and change this 2 to a 3. So now I have a 3 by 7. So all I really need to do, instead of counting all of these circles again, is add 7. 14 plus 7 is 21. So 3 times 7 is 21. I used a helper fact to help me solve the new fact quickly and easily. Let's take a look at subtracting a group down here. Let's say I want to solve 4 times 6. Again, I don't know what 4 times 6 is, so I'm going to think to myself, what is a close fact that I already know that I don't need to do a lot to? Well, I don't know 4 times 6, but I do know 5 times 6 because I can count by fives very quickly. So I know that 5 times 6 is 30. I only changed one of my factors here. I did not change both of them. I just took a look at that 4 and I said, if I bump that up 1 to 5, I'm a close but easy fact here. I'm a closer but easier fact. So I'm going to draw my multiplication number or my array so that you can see this 5 by 6. So here's a 5 and a 6. I'm going to fill in my array. So if this 5 by 6 is 30, we already know that's 30, then to figure out 4 times 6, all I need to do is subtract a row. So I'm going to take a look at that array. I'm going to swipe out one of these rows here, and that changes this to a 4. So really, all I'm doing is taking away 6. So 30 minus 6 is 24. So 4 times 6 is 24. So boys and girls, remember, helper facts are when you find facts that are close and easy, and you use them to solve tougher facts that are not already in your head.